Hey guys, the Tech Geek here, and welcome to this video where I'm showing you how to speed up YouTube. Now you may have noticed it's gone a little slow lately. This is something to do with the ISPs, noticing that everyone's using YouTube and trying to slow down the bandwidth so that, you know, on your end it goes slower, and their end they save on the bandwidth overall on the line. I'm not going to go into too much detail about it, but this tutorial will hopefully help speed it up on your computer. Now, this may not have a massive effect on everyone. It may have more effect on some people than on others. It depends on how much it's already being capped and, you know, location and things like that. It does have a lot of variables that will alter, and some of you may notice no difference at all, but it's worth a try if you are noticing that it is a little bit slower than you were used to. Just to say, this is for Windows PCs only. There is a tutorial link in the description. It's just a written tutorial for the Macintosh. It's really simple to do anyway. It's a simple 5-6 steps, and you can do it really quickly. It literally takes about 25 seconds and it's done. Windows PC isn't quite as simple, so I'm going to go through step by step. So the first thing we're going to do is find this, but just type it into if you're on Windows 7, type it straight in, you should be able to find it. It's Windows Firewall and Advanced Security, and as I said, you can type it in if you've got Windows 7. If not, it may be a little bit harder to find, but it is just in your control panel, so it is quite simple. Now, on here, you need to go onto inbound rules. Double click on that, and now we need to add a new rule, and here it is right here. So this new rule that we're adding is a custom. It's not a specific program, so custom. We do want it to apply to all programs, though. We don't want to just specify. So, you know, it's all browsers that are on the computer this will affect. This is what we want. We don't have to want to pick it individually. You can if you want, if you only use one browser, but there is honestly no need, as this works just fine. So we want it to also affect all ports. We've got any, you know, it doesn't matter what port you're on locally, through your router, whatever. We want it to affect absolutely everything. So next, okay, now we don't want it to affect local, so we're going to leave it on any IP, but on remote, because this is what YouTube is, it's a remote IP address, we're going to select what we want this inbound rule to affect. So basically telling the computer a new rule. We're saying, you know, when it's on this IP or this IP is coming up, we want you to do such and such, so we'll get to that in a minute. But the IP, the first one we're going to add, I've just got it in a text document right here, is this one right here. I will put that in the description. You can find that really easy. I'll leave it on the screen for a couple more seconds if you do need to write it down. It'll be in the description though. I'm pasting that right in here, and no need to touch anything else. Click OK. That's done. Hit add again. We need to add the second one. I'm simply going to copy and paste it, but you guys have it in the description, as I said, really easy to do. And then click next. Then what we want to do is block the connection. That's the whole point of these. We're blocking these two IP addresses. I don't know exactly how it works, but apparently it does work. So next, I've noticed a difference. Leave this all ticked. We want to apply to everything yet again. And then name this so you can easily identify it. You know, YouTube speed boost or something like that. I might as well add it, but I already have it, so there's not really much need. I have it down here in the bottom, and Y. There you go, YouTube speed increase, I named it there. So I'm going to delete it for that reason. I don't really want two running at the same time. That's how easy it is to delete it afterwards if you change your mind. Right click, delete, it's gone, it's never there. As you can see, when you install items on your computer, they actually already do things like this automatically, add exceptions to your firewall. So, you know, when you're on a website, it doesn't do that sort of thing. So you're basically just doing a manual version of that. But hopefully that should help speed up your YouTube experience. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button, or found it useful, of course. Leave any problems or feedback down in that comment section down below. I'll read through them all and answer back as many as I can. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.